Into the pot goes 1 chicken bouillon. Into the pot goes some black pepper. Into the pot goes some garlic powder. You gotta season your water to flavor your rice. Into the pot goes some parboiled rice. Here I have some green onions, and I am going to add this into the pot with the rice to add flavor as well. Green onion is added to the pot. I'm going to add these 2 tablespoons of margarine as well. You can use margarine or butter. Some people can use olive oil. Now we're going to let this rice cook for 18 to 20 minutes. Okay, so this is a rotisserie chicken that I had left over. What I'm going to do is pull the skin off of here and get the meat out. I'm going to place it in my air fryer to heat it up. Okay, this is a bag of frozen broccoli florets. I'm going to pop these in the microwave to steam them right quick and drain the water off of them. So this is the meat off of the rotisserie chicken. I'm going to just pop this into my air fryer. And I am going to warm this up. And that's all I need to do. It's gonna warm up in the air fryer. Into this pot, I have added a half a cup of milk. Y'all. I'm gonna add in some broccoli and cheddar soup. I'm using 3 cans. And I got these cans at Walmart. Y'all can tell they're great value for 94 cents. But you can get the Campbell's brand. Okay, so I have added the cans of broccoli and cheddar soup into the pot with the milk. Now I am going to add in some extra cheese to make it really cheesy. My cheese sauce. Pour as much cheese as you feel comfortable with. Okay. So, there's the cheese. Okay, so we're gonna season this. I'm gonna add in some black pepper, y'all. Okay. Got me some black pepper in there. I'm gonna add in just a little bit of seasoning salt. Okay, just a little, not too much. Add in just a little bit of onion powder. I'm gonna add in just a little bit of garlic powder. Okay. We're gonna give this a stir. Mix the seasoning in there. And I do have my eye on low because we do not want to burn this at all. Okay. Okay, so this is my cheese sauce. This is the cheese sauce. This is the broccoli. Once I got it out of the microwave from steaming it, I hit it with some seasoning, just a little salt and a little black pepper. You can put whatever you like. Okay, so we have the seasoned rice on the plate. Okay, so now I have the broccoli on top of the rice. And here's the chicken on top of the broccoli and the rice. And now we're just gonna go ahead, we're gonna add the cheese sauce. Like so. And this is a simple, easy way to make some broccoli, chicken, cheese, and rice without having to make it into a casserole. Simple, easy, quick, a meal that your family can and will enjoy. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video of Cooking with TK. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave lots of comments down below. Stay tuned to my channel, everyone, for another great video. Peace. I love you all, and thanks for your support. Have a wonderful day.